Hey everyone, this is Arun and I'm back with another video here. So today in this video, I am discussing an automated solution of invoicing software that I built in UB. So here I make this invoicing solutions very easy and very user-friendly. So here we have two sheets. First is the invoice template. So this one is the invoice template I have created. And this one here is the items, a list of items that are added. So it is acting like an inventory solution where we can just put our items in that invoice template. So before going into the details, let me showcase you how it works. It has two buttons. First is print and delete item. So print, once I click on the print, it will give us the PDF printout of this invoice. And then if I want to delete any item from this invoice, we can just click on this button to delete the respective item. So to add any item in the invoice, I'm going to the item sheet. Here we have 5 columns, and the 4 columns are first for description, quantity for invoice, then total quantity, and unit price. So quantity for invoice is the quantity where we are putting in that invoice, and total quantity is we are adding in our inventory. So here, let's take an example. I have total quantity, let's say 50. And I'm adding 9, sorry, let's say out of 50, I'm adding 10 quantities for item number 1 in our invoice. So I just need to click on this add drop down. I'm adding this one. So now it's moved. So 50 quantities were previously there. So now 50 minus 10, that is 40 is left in our inventory. And if we go back to the invoice, here is the item number 110 quantity has been depicted automatically, where the unit price is 200 and total prices automatically gets generated. Here we have the product formula. So using this formula, I submitted the total price. Now let's see if I am deleting any item from here. So we can just click on this button. Let's say I want to delete the row number 30, item number 1. So I'm just adding 30 here and I'm clicking on OK. So now row has been deleted and we can see item number 1 has been deleted automatically. And again, so I have created, this is only for sample test cases basis. And if I want to take out the printout of this invoice, so I'm just clicking on this button and it will create a PDF file. I'm just clicking on OK. So here is my files. If you can see here, this is the PDF file. So it's currently in my drive folder. So this is the invoice that has been generated and has been there in our folder. So we can just email this invoice, or we can just send, or we can take the printout of this invoice and send to the customers by hand, whatever I mean is the okay. So we can do likewise. And so here, this is all in this video. So I hope you like this video. And it's very easy to add items here as well. So to add the items, we can just write, let's say if I want to add item number 13, item 13, let's say quantity for invoice I can add later on. Let's say if I'm adding 50 quantities for item number 13 and 12 payment price, and I'm just copying this one to below here. Now let's see if I have some, I mistakenly added 51 here. I mean, We have total quantity here 50, and I'm adding 51 quantity to the invoice just for test purpose. Let's see what happens. I don't think it will add up, so it will create an error message. And the error message is quantity for invoice exceeds the total quantity. So we need to make sure it should be equals or it should be less than the total quantity. So if I want to add, let's say 50, I have, and the customer wants 50 quantities of item 13, then I can just click on add button. And I think it will take all these 50 items. And we can see they are all added. So now we have total quantity remains 0. And I can see here, this is the item that has been added into that invoice automatically, and we have 12 unit prices. I'm going to print this invoice. Just click on print. Now our PDF has been ready and it's there. This is the current PDF. Just reviewing this one. You can see item number 13, 50, 12, and total price, and this is the total amount. So this is what we have in this invoice automated solutions video. So thank you for watching this video, and for customizations or to get this file or any help regarding invoicing solutions. So definitely I will be helping you out. You can just reach me out over my WhatsApp or my email address, and which I will be sharing in the description part of this video. So I will be happy to talk with you for your invoicing solutions. I can just be helpful for you. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like this video. Have a good day. Take care. Talk soon. Bye.